Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4, let's go for the settings. Right now click on the connections, scroll down, click on the more connection settings, go for the printing, tap on the default print service. And right now our smartphone is looking for the printer, and here we have the HP Color LaserJet. So when you want to print something, just go for the thing, and maybe I'll show you how it works on the picture right here. So all you have to do is to click here and to tap on the print. And right now we are automatically connected to our printer, and all you have to do is to choose the printer and just print it, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.